Come on, come in! Welcome, welcome. Tea? Or maybe something a little stronger. I've got a few bottles of the old Wynyard left. 1296. Very good year. Almost as old as I am. It was laid down by my father. What say we open one, eh?
Just tea, thank you.
Oh! I was expecting you sometime last week. Not that it matters, you come and go as you please. Always have done, always will. You caught me a bit unprepared, I'm afraid. We've got cold chicken, pickle. Oh, there's some cheese here. Oh, no. We've got rum, jam, and apple tart. Oh, no, we're all right. I can make you some eggs if you like. Oh, can I?
Just tea, thank you.
Oh, right. You don't want to follow me?
Oh, no, not at all.
I'm not at home. It's the Sackville Bagginses.
I know you're in there.
They're after the house. They've never forgiven me for living this long. I've got to get away from these confounded relatives hanging on the bell all day, never giving me a moment's peace. I want to see mountains again. Mountains, Gandalf. And then find somewhere quiet where I can finish my book. Oh, tea.
So you mean to go through with your plan, then?
Yes, yes, it's all in hand. All the arrangements are made. Oh, thank you.
Frodo suspects something.
Of course he does. He's a Baggins, not some block-headed brace-girdle from Hardbottle.
You will tell him, won't you?
Yes, yes.
He's very fond of you.